regarding my conclusion about these gadgets that I bought. They says you get what you pay for. Your nurse, your teacher, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Olimarization Good day to all of you. This is still Olimar Jamiri Inyong, your friend, your teacher, your nurse, and welcome back to my channel Olimarization. And now we will be going to unbox the one that I ordered online. This Unbranded GoPro camera that this will be the one that I will be going to use on my channel or on my video. Yes guys, before anything else, I would like to make shout out to Mir Musa, Harid Abad, and of course FJ Plug. Please view his video, and at the same time please subscribe on his channel because he's really nice guy. He's the one who is giving me ideas of what to do and not to do in the world of YouTube. Really guys, there's so many things that I need to do, to know, because I'm still new here. I'm still 3 to 4 weeks here, so he is really a nice guy. He's giving me those things to avoid. Yes guys, without further ado, we will be going to unboxing now. Okay guys, welcome back. Now we will be going to unbox this one. Yes, fresh box inside the box. And yep. This is the online. I ordered this one online, and yes guys, as you can see, I know most of my friend knows where this one came from because it is color yellow, so I will not going to mention it because in the first place it is not sponsored by them. So this unboxing is not sponsored by them, so it was being wrapped on this plastic, something like that. Yes, this is the GoPro guys. This is 179 Saudi Riyal. Yes, there is a Wi-Fi. There is 2 inches, written here 2-inch screen. So yes, this is Unbranded guys, 4K Ultra HD. So we will be going to test it later on if I will be going to walk to our center. Yes, we will unwrap this one guys. This Unbranded guys is not the one that is being bought by the friend of mine who always buy a branded one. So since I am new here, I still don't have to buy. Wow guys, really nice. Wow. Oh, so this is the thing that you can see. Also, this is the code, I think, application for you to download the application. So there is Android, there is iOS, which means I have to download first so that it can connect me to my mobile. Yes, so as you can see, there is 2-inch LCD, 170 degrees after wide angle, and HDMI, of course, 4K Ultra HD, and waterproof to 30 meter, and long lasting battery made in, of course, China. Oh no! And then 1080p H.26 waterproof video like this. So you just read it. Super wide angle lens, 170 degree. Yes, just like what I read a while ago. Multi-language, 2-inch LCD, but storage micro SD HC card not included. Yes, okay, it's no problem because I do have my micro memory. So 1050 milliampere. Wow. So it will last 1 hour 50 minutes. Yes, maybe. Yes. Okay, guys. Input output micro USB HDMI. Wow. Yes. Without further ado, we will be going to see what is this. This is the camera. So we are going to actually I do not really know how to use this one. So this one, I don't know what is these things. So there's a cleaner. There is these things. Well, I really do not know how to use these guys. Wow, there's so many things that is included in it. So this, well guys, I cannot say anything about these things because I really do not have any idea about what are those. So for what are these, I mean like that. So this is the manual. So we will be going to read this one later on. So I'm just going to read this one instead of you guys not to waste your time. Hey guys, this is Unbranded and this is the sample of the video taken from this camera. So as you can see, the quality of the video is not that good enough. I mean, not that great compared to other camera. So yeah, and at the same time, I also noticed that the sound is late from the actual footage. So yes. Hey guys, assalamualaikum. This is Unbranded and you are watching my channel Unbranded, and this is the sample of my 4K Ultra HD or Unbranded camera. So this is in a low quality and VGA VGA mode. Yes, and I'm going to set it up on high quality. So hey guys, this is the high quality and in an HD mode. So yes, I'm on my way to my center where I work, and yes, if the quality is good, comment below and hit the like button, and if it is not, then yeah, hit also the like button the same way. There you have it guys. So this is the Saudi. Okay guys, I noticed that the quality of the video is not that really good, and at the same time the audio is late compared to the actual footage of the video. So yes, there you have it. So I'm on my way to the center. That is my way, or my hospital or center rather. Hey guys, regarding my conclusion about these gadgets that I bought, they says you get what you pay for. So regarding these gadgets, this is cheaper one compared to the branded camera. So yeah, the quality is not that good enough compared to the branded one, but yes, I got what I pay for. So if you expect too much, then buy something that is branded camera, like for example GoPro, Samsung, or something like that. Yeah, if your expectation also too much, then your money is not enough, then try to save more money for you to buy the branded one, because the quality is really great and you get what you pay for, just like what I've said a while ago. And yes, hopefully you will decide, or hopefully that I help you to decide whether you buy branded items or gadgets or not. So as of the moment, as you can see, the videos of this camera, it's not that good enough, though I got what I pay for, just like what I've said. So yeah guys, hopefully I help you, hopefully you learn something from me. Assalamualaikum, good day to all of you. This is Olimar Jamiri Inyong, your friend, your nurse, your teacher, and welcome to my YouTube channel Olimarization and my Facebook page Nurse and Doctor. And if you enjoy and like my videos, please subscribe and hit the bell button to update you with my latest videos on YouTube, and please like and follow my Facebook page Nurse Teacher. This is Olimar Jamiri Inyong, your friend, your nurse, your teacher, saying goodbye guys. Bye bye. Ma'assalama.